Okay, so on this question, we have the square root of 14 times the square root of 91. And we're wanting to basically simplify this. Now, it says times. That little dot in the middle says times. So we would think that you'd want to multiply 14 times 91. And you could. There's nothing wrong with that. But really, that won't be the easiest thing. The easiest thing, let me bring it down here. The easiest thing to do is 14 here and the 91 there. It's just to break them down, because you're going to have to break them down eventually anyway. So let's just start right now. So I'm just going to go, what times what is 14? 2 times 7. And then what about 91? I don't know. Just take your calculator, grab mine, and start dividing. Oh, actually, I just remembered it. But anyway, use your calculator if you need to. 7 times 13. You just divide by different numbers until you can break it down. And so what that means is, putting those guys together, that we've got 2. Okay, so we get 2 times 7 times 7 times 13. So what I've done so far is I just took all the pieces of the 14, 2 and 7, and the pieces of the 91, 7 and 13, and put them all together in one square root, because they are times. So you can just combine them all together in one big square root. And then you know what we do with square roots, right? It's a 2-for-1 deal. So I'll take these 2 7s inside. They'll send 1 7 outside, and they're gone. Again, square roots are a 2-for-1 deal. So what does that leave us? That leaves us 7. And then we have square root of 2 times 13. And then final step, you could just re-multiply that 2 times 13 on the inside to be 26, and we're done. So what really happened there? We took the two numbers, 14 and 91, broke them down to their pieces, put them all together in one square root, because they're times together. So you can just combine them together in one square root. Now, oh, by the way, you might be thinking, well, Mr. We learned like terms. You can only combine like terms. No, that's adding, subtracting. All the picky rules are for adding, subtracting. For multiplying, anything goes. Same thing for dividing. You can combine anything with multiplying and dividing. But so we just combine them together, and then we just do the 2-for-1. So square roots always do 2-for-1. Out comes the 7, so 7 root 26. There we go.